I will be going through the full review of the DJI Osmo Action 3. Build quality, accessories, can it replace your DSLR or phone in being your all-in-one action camera? Firstly, as you can see, it is a solid unit. It does come with a cage if you want to mount it vertically. If I keep it without the cage, I don't see the need for it. It does have built-in magnetic connectors on the body itself, and that's pretty locked in. Make sure you hear the click. Walkthrough of the device as it's recording. There is a little tally light that will blink. The hidden settings, if you're not sure, have a look at the video up here where I give you my custom setting. It does have the lens that protrudes a bit in a circular manner, an off switch and multi-purpose button on the side. This is a button to open out the door for the USB-C connection. On the right hand side there's another door, battery and SD card, recording button there, screen in the front, screen in the back, both are fully functional. And then it also has voice commands, so you can use it to start or stop a video or even a photo, and to switch itself off, not on. You have to manually switch it on. Most part of the video I'm shooting using my Boya wireless microphone, link up above. Right now I'm speaking to you, and I also want you to see just how it's in full auto mode. So microphone that's built into the Action Cam 3. Just have a look at how it auto exposes, whether it blows me up or blows me out. You can see this is in full auto mode. So I'm coming closer. Sound test 1 2 3. Sound test 1 2 3. I'm not going to be doing any form of video or audio enhancement. I'm not going to regrade the video taken from the Osmo Action 3. As you can see, it's going to be as is. So this is the built-in video profile in the DJI Osmo Action 3. Accessories that I recommend: firstly, you need yourself a decent tripod. Cage, I don't feel it's necessary. Screen protectors, I don't feel it's necessary, but nice to have. The only accessory that I recommend, if you want that crispy clear audio like you're hearing right now, it is being shot on the DJI Osmo Action 3, and I have it connected directly with a USB-C microphone. Is it an all-in-one YouTube camera? No, I don't believe so. I'll rather shoot with my iPhone or even my Sony ZV-1, simply due to the low light shooting. That's the only drawback, and the main negative of this camera is that the low light photography and videography really sucks. In terms of its competitors, it really actually has one competitor. GoPro 11 Black Mini is priced closer to the DJI Osmo Action. For the price difference, I would much rather get the DJI Osmo Action 3 instead of the 11 Black. My final verdict: is this the all-in-one camera for you? I would say no. It's not going to replace your YouTube camera. It may replace your phone in terms of taking TikTok videos and that sort of thing. However, you're still going to transfer those videos to your phone to edit them. So it's a nice to have if you need it as an action cam, but it is not a phone killer. It is not a Sony ZV-1 killer. So it's not the all-in-one camera that I hoped it would be, but it is the perfect action camera, and it's for sure a step up from any of the previous GoPros. Let me know how it looks and how it sounds. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I'm the Revenger's Hammer. New videos coming soon.